guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about videos that I like and videos that I dislike. I got this idea from watching a couple other YouTubers like Samantha March and I believe Jessica Braun did one of these videos. I thought it would be a really fun video to film. So if you think you'd be interested in watching that kind of video, then just keep watching. So first we're going to talk about videos that I enjoy watching on YouTube. So the first video that I really enjoy watching is something that some other YouTubers that I've seen actually said that they don't like to watch, but I actually really enjoy watching tutorials. That's how I learned how to do makeup. Everything I know about makeup I learned from YouTube. And specifically I like watching the tutorials that are everyday kind of wearable makeup looks. I am a nurse, and even though I love sparkly, like really glam makeup, I don't have a lot of places that I can wear makeup like that because of what I do for a living. So I really enjoy watching tutorials that show how to do just everyday, natural, beautiful makeup. Next, another video that I love to watch are swatch videos. So any kind of swatch video, every swatch video, eyeshadow, lipstick, anything. I love swatch videos. It really helps me to make my mind up before I purchase something, if I'm considering purchasing something. And I like to see, obviously I like to see the colors before I buy something and how they're going to look on the skin and if they're patchy. It really makes a huge difference in helping me decide if I'm going to buy something or not. The next video that I really love to watch are favorites videos. So I really enjoy monthly favorites videos, yearly favorites videos, even favorites videos that talk about favorite products from a certain brand, like favorite products from Too Faced, favorite products from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Anything like that. I love any kind of favorites videos. Favorite skincare, favorite eyeshadows, favorite top 5 favorite eyeshadow palettes, or top 5 favorite whatever. Anything that tells me what someone's favorite products are, that tells me that they're actually good products, and they tell me more about the quality of a product than, say, like a first impressions video, and I'll get to that in a minute. But if it's something that someone uses over and over and over, that tells me that that is a tried and true product, and I really enjoy watching those kinds of videos. The next kind of video that I really enjoy watching is just original video ideas. So I don't know if I'm the only one, but I feel like YouTube has gotten to be kind of the same kind of videos over and over and over. It's gotten to be a little repetitive, a little monotonous. I really get tired of watching the same kinds of videos over and over and over. And sometimes I like to see something a little bit fresh. There are YouTubers that have been coming up with really good video ideas lately. A couple people that I really like to watch that makes those kinds of videos are Jessica Braun from Jam Beauty, also Samantha March, Mariah Leonard. She makes really good original videos. Jen Loves Reviews, Jamie Page. They all make really original video ideas. It's never like the same thing over and over and over. So any kind of video that gives me something that I haven't seen 300 times, I pretty much love that kind of video. The next video that I really enjoy watching are, and I wrote down, real and honest reviews. So when I say real and honest reviews, what I mean is a review where someone has not just worn the product once and said, oh, this is my new favorite product, or you know, where they have really worn it, tried it out, and they can tell you, you know, it has stood the test of time for them, at least, you know, a few weeks or something. I mean, I can't stand a review that says, where someone says, oh, this is my new favorite foundation, and they have worn it for like 3 hours. That is kind of one of my pet peeves. Also, sometimes when people do reviews, I've noticed that I understand that YouTubers, you know, YouTube is your livelihood. That's how you make your money. And you can't go around hating on every brand. You can't go around, you know, saying this brand's awful, this brand's awful, this brand's awful, because soon enough you're not going to have any brands that are sending you anything, and then you're not going to make any money. And that's awful, but that's just the way it is. But at the same time, you can't walk on eggshells when you do a review. Like, if the product's crappy, say the product's crappy. Don't say, oh, this product looks absolutely terrible on me, even though I've tried to wear it 10 times, it looks like crap, but, you know, maybe it'll look beautiful on you. If it's a crap product, say it's a crap product. Like, that really irks me when I see people do that, because it's like, why are you so afraid to hurt someone's feelings or offend someone? Like, it's just makeup. Like, if it's crappy, tell me, because I want to know, because I don't want to buy that product. So, yeah, real and honest reviews. Okay, next we're going to talk about videos that I don't like watching on YouTube. So, number one is a video that is really relevant right now, because I keep seeing this video over and over and over. And I forgot to say at the beginning of this video, you know, these are just my opinions. Everyone has an opinion. If you don't agree with my opinion, that's okay. Like, you know, that doesn't make you a bad person. That doesn't make me a bad person. If you don't like my opinion, that's okay. These are just my preferences. This is what I enjoy watching and what I don't enjoy watching. So the first video that I don't enjoy watching are what I got for Christmas videos. I don't want to know what you got for Christmas, okay? I don't want to know what you got for Christmas. Whatever happened to modesty and, you know, humility? Like, if you can't tell by my accent, I live in Tennessee, okay? I'm Southern, so I was brought up to believe, you know, I was taught you don't brag about your things. You don't tell people what all you've got, because, you know, there are a lot of people out there that don't have anything, and to sit there and tell someone, oh, I got this, 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 and this for Christmas, like, I don't really think that you're making a positive difference in the world by telling someone that. What is that accomplishing except making some people feel like crap and then making other people wish they were you? I don't understand. Like, I am blessed, but I'm not going to sit here and try to rub it in people's faces. Like, I'm not going to, like, sit here and try to tell you what all I got for Christmas. I just think that's just, honestly, in my opinion, it's just tacky. I just wouldn't do it. I just wouldn't do it. And that's just my opinion. The next video that I don't like watching is kind of along those same lines. It's a PR haul. So I don't like watching PR hauls because I feel like it's kind of the same thing. It's like, let me show you what I get for free. And honestly, like, maybe it's something wrong with me. And, you know, maybe it really is. But I don't enjoy watching people tell me what all they get for free. Like, I don't understand the point of that. Like, that just honestly kills me. Because I'm just sitting there thinking, I wish I got stuff for free. And I'm sure that there's a lot of people out there that think the same thing. And that's just me. And like I said, that's probably, I shouldn't be that way. But that's just how I feel when I watch those kinds of videos. And I just feel like someone's trying to rub it in. Like someone's trying to like, and I know that not all people are doing that. Not all people that make those videos are doing that. Some people genuinely are interested to see what you get for free in your PR. Like, but personally, I don't want to see that. I don't want to see you open your presents in front of me. Like, just, if there's something great that you open and it's wonderful and you love that product, yeah, tell us about it. Make a separate video, but don't sit there and open your products and show me everything you got. Like, I just feel like that's just kind of like distasteful, in my opinion. The next kind of video that I don't enjoy watching are reviews without research. So when someone does a review and first of all, they don't know anything about the product, they don't know anything about the brand, and when they start to give their review, they say, I'm not sure if this is blah, blah, blah. I'm not sure if this is blah, 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 but, blah, 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 blah. Like, don't make the video if you're not sure. Do some research first. Don't just make a video when you don't know what you're talking about. That's the thing. Don't make a video if you don't know what you're talking about. Don't make a video if you've worn something for a day. Don't make a video and tell me it's, don't make a video and say it's an in-depth review if you have only worn it for a few hours. Or if you've only worn it for a day. That's not a real review. If you don't know anything about the product, that's not a real review. Like I mentioned before, I don't know if you've watched Jen Loves Makeup. She does legit in-depth reviews. She really puts a lot of effort, you can tell, into researching what she's talking about. Okay, so Samantha Nicole. She's another person on YouTube. She does super in-depth reviews. She goes into how much product you're getting per gram, how much you're paying per gram, how much product you're getting, comparing it to other brands. She goes through ingredients. That's an in-depth review. Sitting here and telling me, oh, I just got this product in the mail today, and here's the colors, and I'm going to do a review on it. That is not a legit review. I know that I am an amateur YouTuber, super amateur, but I feel like I have a little common sense, and I don't think that's a real in-depth review. So that's another video that I don't enjoy watching. The last video that I don't enjoy watching, it's not really a specific video, it's just something that I've seen people do in videos that really bugs me, and that is when people put out Holy Grail videos. You know, everybody wants to do a Holy Grail products. You know, if I was stranded on a desert island, these are the products that I would take. And I've watched several of those videos where people say, oh, well, I just got this concealer yesterday, but this is my Holy Grail concealer. No. Like, that's not your Holy Grail. Like, if you just got that, that's not a real, like, you know what I mean? It's along the same lines as giving a review over something that you've worn once. Like, your Holy Grail is something that you can never do without. You wear that product day in and day out. You know that it will never fail you. If you need to go out somewhere and you need to be out all night and you know that product is not going to fail you, that's the product you choose. That's your Holy Grail. Not something that you bought yesterday. Like, if you're going to put out a Holy Grail video, make sure it's products that you have used over and over and over, because you can't truly say something is a good product when you've worn it once. And like I said, that is just my humble opinion, and if you have a different opinion, that is perfectly okay. But I don't like watching those kinds of videos, and I don't watch those kinds of videos. That's just me. If you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more videos from me, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any video suggestions for me or anything that you would like to see from me, product recommendations, anything like that, just leave it down in the comments below what you would like to see me do next. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And if you like my videos,